Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to give directions and describe locations in English. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga uburyo wayobora umuntu mu cyongereza. Umubwira ngo ikintu giherereye hano, uciye aha, umwereka aho ikintu giherereye cyangwa se ahantu aho ariho ukoresheje amagambo y'icyongereza. And this is one of the best videos I have ever made. So make sure you subscribe, comment, and share this video. So let's begin. Now, the starting question. Have you ever given a directions to someone in Kinyarwanda or in English? What did they ask you? Who want to share? So let me see in the comment. Yes, let's start. Direction phrases. Interuro ziranga ahantu. Iya mbere. Go straight. Komeza ujya imbere. Iyi nayo turaza kuyireba turebe n'urugero rwayo. Iya kabiri. Turn left. Turn left. Hindukira ibumoso. Iya gatatu. Turn right. Turn right. Hindukira iburyo. Iyi nayo turaza kuyireba n'uburyo tuyikoresha. Iya kane. Cross the road. Cross the road. Ambuka umuhanda. Ambuka umuhanda. Cross the road. Iya gatanu. It's a 5-minute walk. It's a 5-minute walk. Ni urugendo rw'iminota 5. It's a 5-minute walk. Ni urugendo rw'iminota 5. Aho ushobora guhindura ugahindura iminota bitewe n'iminota ingahe n'iminota ushaka kuvuga. Ni ukuvuga ngo ushaka kurangira umuntu wenda ati uru rugendo genda nk'iminota 10 uraba uhageze. It's a 10 minutes walk. Ni urugendo rw'iminota nk'icumi. Okay, turaje turebe noneho turebe izo ngero. So reka dutangire n'iya mbere. Now let's begin with the phrase number 1. The phrase number 1 is go straight. Go straight. Komeza ujye imbere. Urugero rwayo rw'interuro yo mu cyongereza. The example of the English sentence from this phrase, go straight. The example. Go straight until you reach the supermarket. Go straight until you reach the supermarket. We use go straight to tell someone that he or she must keep going until she reaches somewhere where we want to give him or her the direction. So the example from here is go straight until you reach the supermarket. So how it explained in Kinyarwanda is, mu Kinyarwanda iyo nteruro yo hejuru isobanuye komeza ujye imbere kugeza ugeze ku isoko rinini. Komeza ujya imbere mpaka ugeze he? Ku isoko rinini. Go straight until you reach the supermarket. Komeza ujya imbere kugeza ugeze ku isoko rinini. Yes, my people, let's go on with the phrase number 2. Turn left. The phrase is turn left. Hindukira ibumoso. Turn left. Hindukira ibumoso. The English sentence as an example. Turn left at the traffic lights. Turn left at the traffic lights. Bivuze ngo mu Kinyarwanda, hindukira ibumoso nugera ku matara y'umuhanda. Cyangwa se ukata ibumoso, uce ku bumoso nugera ku matara y'umuhanda. Turn left at the traffic lights. That's how we use the phrase turn left as the directional phrase. Turn left. Hindukira ibumoso. Hindukira ibumoso. Ushaka kubwira umuntu ngo aze guhindukira ibumoso nagera ahantu, we say turn left. left. Yes, now we are done with turn left, and now we are going on with the turn right. The phrase number 3 is turn right. Turn right bivuze hindukira iburyo. Right ni iburyo, left ni ibumoso. Hindukira iburyo. Turn right. The sentence as an example. Interuro y'urugero yo mu Cyongereza ariko. Turn right after the school. Turn right after the school. Turn right after the school. Mu Kinyarwanda iyo nteruro turn right after the school isobanura hindukira iburyo unyuze ku kigo cy'ishuri. Hindukira iburyo unyuze ku kigo cy'ishuri. Turn right after the school. Hindukira iburyo unyuze ku kigo cy'amashuri. Yes, now the phrase number 4. Phrase number 4. Cross the road. Cross the road. Ambuka umuhanda. Ambuka umuhanda. So an example in English, cross the road, you will see the bus station. Cross the road, you will see the bus station. Cross the road, you will see the bus station. Mu Kinyarwanda, ambuka umuhanda urabona sitasiyo y'imodoka. Urabona aho muri gare, urajya muri gare z'imodoka. Uraza kubona bus station. Ambuka umuhanda urabona aho wafatira imodoka rusange. Cross the road, you will see the bus station. Yes, mbere yuko tujya kuri phrase number 5, mukore subscribe, share comment nyinshi, sharing the video so that we can grow this community. So the phrase number 5. Phrase number 5, it's a 5-minute walk. It's a 5-minute walk. Ni urugendo rw'iminota 5 n'amaguru. Walk n'amaguru. It's a 5-minute walk. Ni urugendo rw'iminota 5 n'amaguru. Iyi nteruro ushobora guhindura ugakoresha iminota ushaka. Ushobora gukoresha 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes. It depends on how many minutes that you are counting for that work. So the example of example in English sentence that we are going to use for this phrase is: the hospital is very close and it's a 5-minute walk from here. The hospital is very close and it's 5 minutes walk from here. Ivuriro riratwegereye, ni iminota 5 uvuye hano. Riratwegereye cyane, ivuriro riratwegereye cyane, ni iminota 5 uvuye hano.